To understand why the MacBook Neo 2 is causing such immense panic among competitor engineering teams, you have to look past the pristine glass and the sharp aluminum edges. You have to look at the psychological landscape of the modern American consumer. We live in a world of profound digital anxiety. Every time you open a dozen browser tabs, boot up a high-resolution video editing suite, compile thousands of lines of code, or attempt to run a local neural network model, your computer enters a physical struggle. Fans begin to scream. The underside of the machine turns blazing hot, threatening to degrade the internal battery health. The battery percentage drops like a stone, tethering you directly to a wall outlet and destroying the very concept of a portable computer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The tech industry told us this was an unavoidable law of physics. They told us that if you want massive, uncompromising performance, you must tolerate heat, weight, and terrible battery life. If you want portability and silence, you must settle for a crippled low-voltage machine that chokes the moment you push it into heavy workloads. The MacBook Neo 2 looks at that fundamental law of computing physics and completely shatters it. It introduces a completely re-engineered silicon architecture that bypasses traditional thermal bottlenecks entirely. It delivers a level of computational throughput that rivals multi-thousand-dollar desktop towers, while consuming a fraction of the power, remaining completely silent, and maintaining a footprint so impossibly thin it feels less like a computer and more like a solid sheet of dark, anodized glass. Let us dissect the physical sensation of interacting with this machine, because Apple has weaponized industrial design to create an immediate sensory trap. The moment your fingertips touch the top enclosure of the MacBook Neo 2, you realize that the metallurgy has changed. Apple has moved away from standard recycled aluminum alloys to introduce a structural matrix infused with aerospace titanium polymers. This completely redefines the structural rigidity of the device. There is absolutely zero flex in the chassis, zero creaking in the hinge, and a dense, structural weight distribution that makes the laptop feel structurally indestructible yet deceptively light in a travel bag. The finish uses an advanced light-absorbing matte coating that actively repels skin oils and fingerprints, solving a multi-year frustration for users who hate seeing their premium machines look messy after an hour of intense typing. But the real psychological shock occurs the exact millisecond you lift the display lid with a single finger. There is no power button sequence required. The machine doesn't boot up, it simply wakes up with an absolute immediacy that feels telepathic. The display illuminates instantly, the sensors scan your face using an invisible, sub-display biometric array, and your entire digital desktop is waiting for you before the lid has even reached its fully open position. It removes that low-level friction of waiting for a machine to catch up with your human consciousness. The display itself is an absolute visual assault on anything that has come before it. Apple has deployed a next-generation quantum dot ultra retina panel that completely redefines the boundaries of mobile screen technology. Traditional screens rely on uniform backlighting zones that clip highlights and turn deep blacks into a muddy, dark gray smear. The MacBook Neo 2 features millions of self-illuminating structural subpixels that operate with individual luminance control. When you watch a cinematic masterwork, edit a high dynamic range photo, or work across a complex dark mode interface, the contrast ratio is effectively infinite.